Hi, and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll have a quick lecture about Seaborn. As we already mentioned, Seaborn is a package built on top of matplotlib. However, it is considerably prettier, if we can use that word for a graph. In the past, simply importing Seaborn would automatically override matplotlib. But after an update in 2017, this is no longer the case. Now, in order to take advantage of Seaborn's beauty, we need to import it. I'll import Seaborn as the conventional SNS and add the following line of code. SNS.set. This method overrides the style and the graphics of all matplotlib graphs. I'll restart the kernel and rerun the code so you can see the difference. Cool, right? In this course, we will code using matplotlib, but use Seaborn styles. Don't worry, we won't be studying in depth the syntax of Seaborn. Instead, just think of it as a pretty skin for matplotlib. Alright, this will do for now. Thanks for watching.